Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. As you know, I've been sewing for a few years now and my channel is all about sharing tips and tricks I learned along the way, styling my finished project and slowly build a handmade wardrobe. Let's talk my fall fashion mood board of 2019. So I got my notes. The title of this board is Building Blocks BTB, which is back to basics. In the last few boards, I made like different pieces that stand on their own. And I wanted to go back to see how I could be of help when you're building a mood board and coordinating all the items in order to have a few different outfits out of one board. The patterns are by Seamwork, Burda, Name Clothing, Knip Mode and Night Trends. So I got 5 companies this time. The fabrics that I bought are from Textielstad, the Fabric Fair and Driessenstoffen.nl. The color palette is, I got it off of Pinterest and you will see a little bit of print, gray, pink and green. I have 7 items in total on my fashion mood board and you will see it right there. So the first item on the list is a pinafore and that is by Seamwork. I have an Alice shirt. Now the Alice shirt would be that would be the centerpiece that all of the pieces are kind of surrounding. Because with the Alice shirt, I could combine it with pinafore. We have one outfit. The Alice shirt is also by Seamwork. Then we got a skirt by Burda. And the skirt can be matched with the Alice shirt. Outfit number 2. Then we move on and I have a gamma dress, which is a maxi dress from Name Clothing. Now that is an item that will stand on its own, but that is outfit number 3. Then we move on and I have a vest that I chose, well, a cardigan that I chose by Knip Mode. And that could be thrown over the Alice shirt and the Burda skirt or over the Alice shirt with the pinafore. Outfit number 4. Then we have a pants. Now that pants can be matched again with the Alice shirt. And if it's a little cold and I need a layer piece, I could also add the cardigan by Knip Mode. The last but definitely not least is the coat. Now the coat is going to be an item that I could wear over all the outfits. It completes all the outfits. And the coat is one that I chose from Night Trends. And so, as always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thumbs up the video and have a great day. Bye.